integration for 0 to pi by 4 tan x dx. Now here one thing, we are having a formula integration of tan x dx is equal to log secant x plus c, or we can write it integration of tan x dx is equal to minus log cos x. So we will be going with this formula. Okay. Now this becomes minus log mod of cos x 0 to pi by 4. Is it clear? So now this becomes minus log cos pi by 4 plus log cos 0. Now this becomes minus log 1 upon root 2 plus log 1, and this is equal to minus log minus 1, and to this what we can write it, log root 2 or log 2 raised to power 1 by 2. Answer.